morning, children. Today we shall learn about solid, liquid and gases. So, what are these? We already know the different forms of water. This is water, and on heating, water changes into water vapor. On the other hand, water on freezing changes into ice. You might think, how are the water, ice and water vapor different from each other? Let us see. This is ice cube. If we see, it has a definite shape. Not just a shape, it occupies space. And that too, a definite space. The space occupied by an object is called its volume. So what can we say? We can say an ice cube has definite volume. Even if we talk about this ball or a computer, they both have definite shape. The shape of the ball won't change if we keep it inside a box or outside the box. Same with the computer. Its shape would not change. Also, the space occupied by the ball or the computer remains same. So we can say they both have definite shape and volume. These substances or the objects which have definite shape and volume are called solids. So, ice is an example of solid. Now, coming to water, we can say water also occupies definite space. Whether it is in bottle or it is in bucket, it will occupy the same amount of space. So we can say water has definite volume. But does it have definite shape? No. Here it is in bottle, so the water takes the shape of bottle. And here it takes the shape of the bucket. Same in the case of milk. The milk also takes the shape of container. Here the milk is in the jar, and if we pour it in the glass, the milk takes the shape of the glass. The milk is taking the shape of the container. It does not have definite shape. Also, if we see, both water and milk flow easily. It is very easy to pour them. All this water, milk, oil, which have definite volume but no definite shape, instead they take the shape of container and flow easily, are called liquids. So we can say water is a liquid. Now coming to the water vapor. Water vapor, we know, does not have definite shape or the definite volume. It fills in whatever space is available to it. So we can say water vapor and the helium gas, which is used to fill in the balloons that fly in the air, are gas. A gas has no definite shape or definite volume, and it flows very easily, much faster or much greater than the liquids. So, coming back to the different forms of water, we can say water is a liquid. Why? Because it has a definite volume, but it takes the shape of the container. And on evaporation, that is on heating, water changes into water vapor, and water vapor is a gas. Why? Because it has no definite shape and also no definite volume. On the other hand, if the water is frozen, it changes into ice, and ice we can say is the solid form of water because it has definite shape and volume. This solid ice on melting changes back to water, and also the water vapor, which is a gas, on condensation, that is on cooling, changes back to water, which is liquid. So we see water can change into different forms on heating or cooling. Also, you now know that there are different forms such as solid, liquid, and gas. That's all for now. Bye bye, children.